folks, this is your channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. And today we make a snack. You can call it snack or a dish. It's Chinese name called 五香花生. English name is called the fun-flavored boiled peanuts. As the main ingredient we need the 2 cups of dried peanuts, and we soak it in the a lot of water and overnight let the peanut get soft, and then we need some seasonings or spices. We need 1 teaspoon of Chinese peppercorn and 2 star anise and one small piece of cinnamon stick and a little piece of dried chili pepper. I just get a little piece. If you want spicy, you can add more. I don't want to make it too spicy for the kids. So those are the main ingredients we need for this food. We add 6 cups of water to the pot. Try to add enough water, 6 cups of water, cold tap water to the pot, and then turn on the stove. And high fire, and just heat the water. While the water is heating, we add drained water peanuts into it. We use the dry peanut 2 cups and soaked in the water overnight. Right now we drain the water, add it to the water, add it to a pot. This is the plain salt. We add a half tablespoon plain salt to it. You can use a cup to measure it. Just when you try the water, we need to add more. Add enough salt just until the water is salty, but not too salty. Okay, this water is salty. Good. Now we put a 2 star anise into it. 2 star anise, a small piece of cinnamon stick, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese peppercorn and a small piece of dried chili pepper, and just add to it. And we just let it boil the peanut until peanuts become fully cooked and become soft and fully cooked. We just let it keep going. Where the soaked raw peanuts is boiling in the pot, and don't forget to use the chopstick to stir it. Make sure every peanut can be fully cooked. Now you can see it's boiling. When it's boiling, we turn the high fire to the low-medium fire to let it slowly to cook the peanuts. We let this to cook for 15 minutes, then we will check it to see the peanuts fully cooked or not. After 15 minutes, we will try the peanut. The flavor is good. It's very crunchy. It's fully cooked, so we turn off the stove. We will drain the water. Just leave the peanut and spices in. Okay, we drain the water. So right now this snack is done, and you can serve right now, or you can let it cold and serve it. It's okay. Usually when you eat it, it's cold. So just put this into a plate. So this dish, our snack is done. Yeah, I hope you like it. The Chinese name called 五香花生, English name called fun-flavored boiled peanuts. It's really good, and as a snack or as a dish, and go with a beer or alcohol. It's a really good, popular snack or dish. So I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.